Oh, hey job seekers, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about Jobber. Jobber is a field service software solution that helps businesses in various industries like HVAC, cleaning, landscaping, and construction they can manage their operations more efficiently. It streamlines tasks such as scheduling, invoicing, and payment processing, ultimately saving time and improving business performance. So let me show you how you can use Jobber. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see this. I'm at the www.getjobber.com, and here you can see this. The interface to look like this. So now you can log in if you previously had an account, and if you didn't have an account, you can just simply enter your email right here. Then you can just tap on to start free trial. Then you can just get started with it now. So now you have to answer some basic questions here. You have to check this icon, then you have to add a password to this site, then you have to tap on to start free trial. So as you can see, Jobber helps your business run smoothly. As I told you earlier, this is a cool website which helps you to run your business more smoothly, easily, and make your time more useful and easy. So there might be an error occurred. Okay, so let me just log in with my Google account right from here. Let's see. Wait until it loads completely. So there we go. We are onto Jobber interface. Now you have to answer some basic questions so that you can get started. First of all, here and the first and last name you have to enter them. So for example, I'm gonna enter my first and last name. Then I'm gonna add my phone number. For example, let's enter this one. No, not this. Wait, let me add a phone number right now. So after entering all the information, so you have to enter your company names. For example, I'm gonna add my company name, Wilders. Welder supply and this one. Okay, then you can search for your industry. For example, there are a lot of types of industries available. For example, I'm gonna tap on to commercial cleaning. Okay, pressure washing service. Now tap on to next. Let me delete this website, my company website, then you can just continue, as I don't have any website right now. But if you have any website, you can just put the link there. Now you have to answer these questions. Your pressure washing business at a glance. You have to answer that how many people work under you. For example, I'm gonna tap on the 2 to 3 people, and you have to enter about your experience in this business. Then you can tap on to next, and then you can enter. You have to enter your estimated review. For example, this one. Then you have to tap next. Now you have to enter that what is your top priority right now. I'm gonna answer that get more customers or run more efficiently. Now you have to answer that how did you find out about Java. So you can just skip that question if you wish to, as I did. Now you have to choose your look, that if you want light theme or dark theme, and then you can get started. For now, I'm gonna tap on to dark theme, and then I'm gonna tap on to get started. And there is a Jobber Pro subscription. You can buy it on 20% off for 3 months when you choose a monthly plan. Okay, if you want, you can just directly buy it, or if you just want to use Jobber for out of curiosity, then you can just tap onto no thanks and explore it out. So after securing and answering all the questions, we are at the Jobber interface. Here you can see the dashboard of it. So this look like this. Wait until it loads. Wait, let it load first. So after the completion of this loading phase, there you go, the interface, or you can see the dashboard of Jobber. So at the top left corner, you can check out all these things here. You can create new campaigns. Here we can explore them out, your scheduling things, your clients, your requests. I mean, on the schedule option, you can schedule your times, your jobs, like when you have to send or you have to go for cleaning or welding. Then you can check out your clients details that from the past 30 days, how many leads you gain, how many new clients you gain, and your total new clients right here. As you can see, I have just opened this account, and so there's nothing. This is absolutely zero. So let me show you how you can create a new campaign. For now, let's cancel them. Okay, so let's tap onto the create at the top left corner here. Then you have to create that what you want: client, request, code, job, invoice. You can tap onto job, and you can ask for a job right from here. You have to enter your client name, or you can just tap onto and create a new client right from here. You just have to enter your client details, your contact details, your all other things, like all the information it is asking to you. Then you have to tap on to create client, or either you can just tap onto this plus icon. You have to search client, for example, and then you have to search for your client. Like, you have to enter your client ID, and then you can create your new clients right from here. You can scroll down, you can check out your calendars, date, your times. You can just schedule everything on Jobber, just like Google Calendars, but on the Jobbers you can also get clients detail. You can get many more things, for example, course, requests. You can create new requests from here. You can see you can use Jobber's pressure washing service requests to gather key information and better understand a job's potential and profitability. Okay, and also you can check out tips for effective requests. So you can just tap on to create first request, and then you can enter your request title. You can search a client, or you can just create a new client by adding client details. You can enter your service details, that what type of service do you provide. Then you can enter your availability, that when do you work, and what is another day that works for you. Like whenever someone reaches up to you, they can choose date, and you can enter your that what are your preferred arrival time. You can just choose them like anytime or like this. You can enter on-site assessments right from here, and your notes. If you wish to, just tap onto this and you will be able to add notes, and then you can just tap onto save settings on the code sections. Let me leave this site right now. You can just check them out. You can create your first quote if you wish to. Just tap onto your create your first quote, add the title, and add all the information. So you can add custom introductions, quotes, your unit prices. For example, $20 here. You can add $20 or 1 cent. I can. So see, you can see this. You can check out your insights. So let's leave this site. You can check out insights and all other things. You can also bind other apps. You can check out them. You can add another apps right from here. Just tap onto this, and then you can just get started and merge the apps with your account. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.